Okay, there.
Oh, no. Oh yeah, the thing lights up. Okay, right. Cheeto bag. We're commercialing it. We're gonna buy some flavor hot. How do you see the rest?
No, you're gonna help me. The Cheeto bag sells in every local store. Just buy it. It's only $2.99.
Oh, serious? Dude, that's the price.
It's $2.69. My bad.
No, that's not the price. Okay.
And some sort of thumbs up for a buck.
Why more?
I know.
For a buck.
Oh, right.
Its total fat is 70%, o sea, 11 grams.
It's made with real corn.
It's made with real corn.
Yes, look at the corn.
It's probably made with some corn and everything else is like all fake.
It has 0 cholesterol.
Cholesterol, they're chips. No, es huevo. Es huevo revuelto.
That's right. No matter what.
It's like, it's not cholesterol,
No,
es
we're doing
como huevo revuelto.
cholesterol.
It doesn't have any vitamin A.
No vitamin C, no vitamin D.
But it does have vitamin E.
Yeah, it's 4%.
And it does have
Iron 2%.
And it has vitamin
4%. And I don't know what, 4%. Riboflavin, 2%. Did you say riboflavin?
It's guaranteed fresh. Questions or comments at 1-800-352-4470. Weekdays 9 a.m. to 4:30
Where are you reading that?
Central Time.
Where are you
Okay?
reading it?
Until printed date or business.
Where are you reading that? Oh, are you serious?
Let me see it.
It's on
October 21st.
October 21st.
Let me see where you read it off. Let me record it.
If you want to, oh look, it contains milk and soy ingredients.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Hold on, I just want to bet on you.
In like a month, if you guys break up, you're gonna watch this and you're
Yeah.
like, I don't love Jorge anymore.
www.fritolay.com and made with all natural oil. Did you understand that? We grow the best snacks on earth.